and I've been starting to plant some of my grapes, and I thought I may as well share that with you guys. And we've been planting a lot of flowers and trees, so stay tuned. I'll share with you guys what I've been up to. But basically what we got here, I got some dark grapes, and here we got some green grapes. I'm going to be planting a whole bunch of grapes all along this fence here, and it's pretty straightforward to plant a grapevine or tree. Basically every plant, every flower comes with instructions and a description. So you basically just have to read the description and just follow the instructions. For grapes, they do amazing for our climate here in Canada. They can sustain the cold temperatures like -30, -40. Coronation grapes especially are one of the best. So with grapes, they do need full sun, so you want to make sure that you have an area that has a lot of sun, and also something the grapes can climb up on, the vine. So I got a nice fence here. You may want to have like a trellis, just something that they can climb up on. And you want to make sure that you dig a hole deep enough for the roots, and you follow the spacing for every plant. It'll give you a description of the spacing. And so I already got one here, so I got another hole dug already. You just want to make sure that the roots are covered, and you also want to make sure, you know, when buying plants, that you see that it's really healthy, and that you can see there's already some buds starting on this one. That's a really good sign. So basically, we're just going to be gentle with this guy and put them right in the hole. We just want to make sure that our hole is deep enough. This one I may need to dig a little bit more. And shout out to Willie Nelson's son, Lucas Nelson. Came up with a song, "Turn Off the News and Grow a Garden." Such a profound message. All right, so that should be pretty good. And I may just dig out a little bit more, just so the roots can spread out. I'll turn it around this way. And then what we want to do is we want to just gently bring in the soil. You don't want to pack it in too much, because you want to let the roots, you know, you want to be able to let the roots expand, and you don't want to pack it in too much. So you just want to be very gentle with bringing the soil back in. And then you want to make sure that it's really well watered, and that those roots are really saturated in the ground. And it's as simple as this, you guys. So we're just gonna water these guys, and then we are gonna enjoy the fruits of our labor. And it's gonna be so nice to see. I'm gonna have some coronation grapes right in the corner, and we're gonna watch all these vines grow. And I got some trees as well, so I'll show you guys the trees I got. But it's just so fun digging your hands into Mother Nature, connecting with the earth, and there's nothing like fresh grapes right off the vine, fresh food, you know, right from the ground, right from the soil. It's the best, and grapes are one of my favorite. I'll take you guys around. Let's see what else we're up to. Alright, so here in the garden we got some daisies, and this is going to be amazing to bring those bees in. I also got some strawberries coming up, some lavender, which smells really nice too, bringing the bees as well. I have a native Saskatoon tree, and this is going to take a few years, but it'll be really, really good. I love Saskatoons. They are delicious. And we also have mojito mint, and this smells amazing, and this is going to be so nice with lemonade. I also got a honey crisp apple tree, and this will take a few years, but it'll be so good. So thanks so much for watching, and as always, be your beautiful selves, be getting in some whole healthy foods and some nature. When you do that, we'll all be rising.